When I came to Bali first time, I felt really, I don't know, something in mind like why I want to live in here, like feeling cultures, people, food amazing, yeah. Of course, the view still in the heart of Canggu, but still so Bali.
It's funny to say, right? You're surrounded by rice fields, so it feels like it's exactly where it belongs. But given the type of development that's happening around here, it's out of place at the same time. So it feels both in place and out place all at once.
Sebelumnya belum pernah datang ke sini, ini pertama kali, dan ini bagus banget sih tempatnya. Kayak dari di awal itu ada taman gitu, terus ada juga community gardennya. Tadi ditunjukin di mana di sini ada bed-bed yang bisa disponsori oleh orang-orang. Lalu juga ada beberapa stand di mana display dari beberapa produk-produk lokal.
Kerjasama sama farmer dari beberapa daerah di Bali.
Makanan-makanan khas Bali. Ada beberapa makanan yang aku belum pernah makan sama sekali.
Iya, makanannya enak, kayak kerasa bahannya fresh gitu.
I think the only way to really change people's perception of how a business can be run is for places like MAUKAMI to prove that concept works. Because only by proving the concept do people follow. But someone has to be brave enough to start, which is, and I know there's other places do similar, but this is unique still in itself.